and I'm better. It's spring, the flowers are blossoming. It's so hot. Hello everybody. Action. Welcome to my channel. Igama lami Liyema, and I've been missing in action for so long. I apologize for that. Especially to the 186 people subscribed to my channel. I've been scarce on these streets, I know, but the right now is that I'm back. And I just want to say to all the 186 people subscribed to my channel, oh, yonke and she a piece yonke. And also, if you're watching this right now and you're not subscribed to my channel, what is wrong with you? Subscribe to my channel, it's free. And I have a few clips that I shot in January, and this vlog is about that. This is like a cute diary session. Deja vu. This is like a cute diary session. We work with Ezlalini, and we went down to Ezlalini and we enjoyed ourselves. So take a look.
Surround yourself with people whose eyes light up when they see you coming. 2, slowly is the fastest way to get to where you want to be. And 3, the top of one mountain is the bottom of the next, so keep climbing.
On the first day, then Safika on the following day. And I guess okay, since it's late, you know what? Okay, this is an Nandi. This is an elekese for the bandabadala. Yeah, when I see update one day about mixing on Tony, Mandi, supposedly. We were also participating. It was nice. Umsebenzi was actually at my grandmother's house. After getting in Tlombe, we went to go sleep at my mother's house. Well, my sister and I are not the most domesticated girls, but we tried. And we tried to show that we're also part of this, the nitty and the gritty kind of side of umsebenzi. The next clip that you're gonna see right now makes me really emotional because when Uchisa and Uchisa is my uncle. There's this dance he taught us in the moment on umsebenzi or previous in the moment, and it was known by it's our dance. He created that for us, and I'm also grateful for the fact that I started this YouTube channel, and the purpose of it was to capture moments in my life, and I captured those moments with my uncle. I captured those moments with my brother, and I'm grateful for that. And it makes me want to continue doing this thing, even though sometimes I do get discouraged. even though sometimes I do get discouraged and I don't want to continue anymore. I'm like, what's the point of even doing this? Like, when life happens, I just want to stop doing it. But the fact that its purpose was to capture moments in my life, like document my life with the people that I love. Yeah, I'm gonna miss my uncle. I'm gonna miss my brother. But since bashiyile emhlabeni inintsi into echinjileyo. Bobai too, there was sort of like the glue of the family. Because malume ebebona into enkulu kum, and my sister and my mom ebebona into enkulu kuthi. He always wanted what was best for us, even when it comes to like a career ebefuna sibe kuzo. Ufunda ntoni phaa university? So aplayele into ethile, aplayele into ethile, ipetrol malume ke lowo, ipetrol nentontoni. Oh hayi bo, in that moment bendiqamba hayi man, ndiyeke ndenze into endiyifunayo, but ngoku amazwi akhe ndiyakhumbula. Yeah, I'm gonna miss my uncle. I'm gonna miss my brother. My brother gave the best advice. Like in this clip, you're gonna hear him give a few words to, and he bengathethi kakhulu, but into ayithethileyo ebeyithetha ivakale. Yeah.
Bafunde bakayesi bayabuza kuyesu uphiwe wena mthetho omkhulu. Yes. So nawe ke xa ke usekoneni xa uzibuze phaa ubuze ndifanele ndenzeni. Yes.
Amen. Ubhuti pushed me ebefuna ndi-rich ndingabi ne-potential nje, ndiqophozele ngapha kwaloo nto, and ineyezinto endizoyikayo kuqhuba, you know. Ayibana ufuna uzuqhuba, ufuna de kuthini kude kwenzeke into then kube ngona uqhubayo, because nazi imoto zikhona. Nazi imoto zikhona. He would push me, but in the most gentle way as well. And this video is dedicated to my uncle and ubhuti. My family and I were celebrating. It was January. We're looking forward to 2023. Excited. You know, and we're looking forward to the whole new year.
Wena kudala ngoku.
Ngo 5.